Hello, I'm Daisy from KDT Intelligent Equipment. Let me introduce our newly launched Intelligent Packaging production line. It covers an area of 140 square meters and integrates practical functions such as stacking and assembling, intelligent measurement, automatic cutting,
manual carton fastening,
automatic sealing, and so on. Solution of KDT flexible packaging production line helps handle future factory, reduce costs, and improve efficiency, save labor costs and area. With our self-developed system, it's highly efficient and automated, reducing waste and losses. Choose KDT is a great call.